Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between LT1 and LT3 on your Casio AE-1200WH, the Casio Royale. So these are going to be the light settings, and they are going to represent how long your light is going to be on. So we have LT1, which is going to be 1.5 seconds, and LT3, which is going to be 3 seconds. In order to arrive at the light settings, we are going to press and hold the adjust button while we are in our home screen, and then we are going to use the mode button, and we are going to go past the setting of time and date. And right after the date, we can see that we have LT and 1 right here. If I press the search button, I'm going to switch to LT3. So this is going to be 3 seconds, and LT1 is going to be 1.5 seconds. I'm going to leave it at LT3. In case you want to change something else, you can press the mode button. It is going to cycle back, and you can adjust anything that you want. And then in order to finalize the process, we are going to press the adjust button. And now the light is going to be on for 3 seconds instead of 1.5. So that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today, guys. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of the Casio Royale, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. So how to set the time, the date, the home city, how to use the world time function, the alarm, the timer, and the stopwatch on your Casio Royale. Also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next one.